Jackpot, I hit the jackpot, jackpot.
Good morning, you guys. What a beautiful morning it truly is. I mean, look at this skin. You guys, I'm glowing and I feel amazing. I've been getting so many compliments on my skin. Plus, I just found the solution to all of my traveling skincare problems. Yes, I did. What is my solution, you guys? It is the Juice Beauty Super Serum Mini Solutions kit. You can actually get it on their website. I'll put the link in the description. But this stuff is so amazing. So you guys have already seen videos on my travel tips. Y'all know I am always putting the stuff that I use for my skin into small containers. Well, look, they literally come like this. It's 5 different serums, and there are different ones that you can use morning and night. I'm gonna show you guys in this video my actual morning routine using their serums and products. Super obsessed, you guys. Put a heart in the comments below if you guys think my skin is glowing, because I know that I do. Or put a star, a heart or a star, or both, if you really think it's glowing. Anyways, you guys, before we really get started with this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I have a new video coming out. I actually have a short coming out with one of their pigments that they gave me. I'll just give you a little sneak peek. So beautiful, in the color Liquid Lip. But if you guys hit the notification bell, you will always be notified when I have a new video coming out and you won't miss anything. So before we get started, wow, just one more moment of appreciation for this skin. I've already washed my face and done my whole morning skincare routine, because you can see the edges are laid, which means I've already taken care of my face because that's the last step. I feel so confident, you guys. I have been not wearing makeup lately and getting compliments on my skin, which is something that has always been one of my goals. I've never felt this confident in my own skin, and part of it has to do with just the consistency in my skincare routine and also just knowing what I'm doing. And some of these products I'm about to show you have really helped me, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But just a few fun facts about Juice Beauty. They're organic, no parabens, no sulfates, none of that stuff. All of the ingredients are completely organic. Juice Beauty is a high-performance skincare line with vibrant pigments. And y'all know I love some color, so I can't wait to show you some of that stuff. Also, it's made from antioxidant-rich ingredients, and it just basically is not gonna irritate your skin. Everything is also clinically tested. You guys, y'all know I love something clinically tested, because I will go read all of the tests and things like that before I even put it on my skin, just to make sure that the results are real and the results are the results that I want. So anything that's clinically tested is good, because you know there's research that you can personally go look up and look at yourself. I've done all the research for you guys, so now I'm gonna share my favorite products with you. Also, a little fun fact, the owner of this brand actually started making it when she was pregnant, because she's always paid attention to the different ingredients that she's put in her body. But when she was pregnant, she really started focusing on what she was putting in her skin, and like 10 times more than usual. And that's when she started coming up with the makeup and skincare line, because why should we sacrifice our health by putting in toxic things into our body just because of skincare? Like, we can have good skin and use healthy ingredients, and that is why she created Juice Beauty. I just thought that was really great, because I pay a lot of attention to ingredients as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already took my shower and I used the Cellular exfoliant spray. They say that you're supposed to use it in the mornings while you're in the shower, and I'll actually demonstrate kind of how it works on my hands, because you can also use it on your hands to keep them looking youthful, but I'll demonstrate that in a minute, because I want to go ahead with my actual skincare routine while, you know, in real time. How I actually start is I actually use an ice cube and a tissue to hold the ice cube so I don't drop it. But I actually take an ice cube like so and rub it on my face. That's the first thing that I actually do after a shower. I rub it on there for like 5 minutes. Anywhere from like 3 to 5 minutes. This is so great for your pores. It just helps with making your skin look more awake overall. So I do this. Once I'm finished with the ice cube, you guys have seen my fan before. I let it dry. In between every skincare product I put on, I always let it dry. That way all of the product gets into my skin. Because sometimes if you add another product too soon, you kind of don't let the first product do its job. So I make sure everything is absorbed into the skin. Now I'm going to go in with the Probiotic 20% vitamin C. Hope you can see that. So adding a vitamin C to my skincare routine has been so beneficial, you guys. You guys know that I have battled with dark spots. I've managed to stop picking at my skin, but you know, dark spots stay for a while, and this has helped so much just brighten my appearance, give me like a luminous glow. All of the Juice Beauty products have gone through clinical studies, so you can look them up and actually see the real results on other people and during the studies. And this one actually fights against oxidative damage, and it helps with acne and blemish spots and dark spots. So I think I've seen a huge difference. You guys watch my channel. Have you seen a difference? A little bit on me. Ooh. And then you want to just circularly rub it into your skin. This is literally how I use it. And it's not too harsh. Sometimes I like that it says the percentage on here. It says 20%, if you can see. But sometimes if the percent is too high, it'll actually cause me to break out. So you rub it there, you get it on your neck. Not too close to the eyes because it can cause a little irritation if it's close to the eye. And then back with my fan. Can you see that, you guys? Like, my skin just looks hydrated. It looks like it's been plumbed. Like, I look youthful. That is why I love this stuff. And shout out to them for making this a package that you could buy. Literally, because this makes packing so much easier. Y'all know I will put my skincare products into smaller containers to take with me, but they pretty much already have it covered. So this is bomb. Look at my skin. Next, you just follow up with a moisturizer. My favorite one from Juice Beauty is the Probiotic Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. I know y'all remember I used to always complain about oily skin, but the truth is I technically had oily skin, but only because I was not hydrating enough. So before you just automatically use all products that are mattifying and drying, try hydrating your skin first. And remember, when trying new products, it can take up to an entire month for your skin to really adapt and to get real results. Then you guys have seen it before on my channel. I go in with the Cellular Anti-Wrinkle treatment under my eyes, and I do a patting motion. This stuff is so amazing. Literally, like, any creases and stuff before I put on my makeup go away for the most part, or at least like it really reduces the appearance of them. And I feel like my under eyes also get really sensitive to the sun and stuff, so this helps just keeping them moisturized and, you know, light tapping. Look at that. I'm obsessed with my results so far. So that's basically what I do in the mornings. I've been really focusing on not wearing as much makeup, and honestly, it's been so empowering to feel confident in my own skin and be able to go out into the world and just get compliments like, oh, your skin's glowing. Like, I'm really getting those compliments. I have struggled with acne and bad skin for so long, and the truth is I didn't have bad skin. I just wasn't using the right stuff and taking care of my skin the way that I needed to. So adding a vitamin C, like I said, they're 20%. It's not too high of a percent. I really like that. Has been so helpful. And then just sticking to it. Like I said, it can take up to a month for you to really start seeing results. So don't just use it twice and be like, oh, didn't work. You got to give it a chance. And you know, your skin has to renew for you to see the real results, so give it some time. Now, let me go ahead and show you the Cellular Exfoliant Peel Spray that I used in the shower. I use it every morning. It's not too harsh, and the best time to exfoliate your skin is in the morning because overnight your skin's renewing and all of that. So the best time to get rid of any dead skin is the morning. You use it in the shower. Now the instructions are to shake it, and you like hold 2 inches away from your face, and you spray going in sections. So like I do the forehead, then I do like kind of nose in this area, then the left side, right side. I also get under my chin because I will get pimples there. I don't know why. And then I do the neck and then each hand. So I'm gonna show you how I used it on my hand so you can kind of see. It's really great. So when you're in the shower, you're already wet. Just get a little water. Okay, just a little. All right. You know, your pores are open from water and all the steam. So I kind of do that and then I spray it. Shake it first, spray, 2 inches away. Let it sit and absorb into your skin a bit. And this stuff works so amazing. It literally blows my mind. Because you can feel it. You can feel like a little bit of the layer coming off, but it's so gentle too, you're not gonna have really any irritation. You can try it like a test patch somewhere, maybe on your hand or on your neck, like a little bit just to see first. I do say test every product before you use it, just because you never know what you're gonna have a reaction to. But this one, I'm very sensitive and I have no problem. So I let it soak in just for a little bit. Then if you actually go around in a little circular motion, it's crazy. Because you can like see a little bit. I don't know if it'll be enough for the camera to pick up. It's crazy. You can actually see like the dead, I'm gonna do it so you can see it. The dead skin cells kind of coming up. I just rub it. Get a little bit right there. I don't know if you can see that, but can you see, let me let it focus. Do you see those little white things, those little white bumps? That's all like skin formed together. I can get a little more. Put them all together. Get together, skin. But can you see those? Like the little white bump, that little white, that is skin. That's literally skin that is exfoliated, and it's only what needs to come off. That's why it's so great. Just keeping your layer of skin fresh is really gonna help you glow. It's gonna get rid of dark spots as well, and just help renew it and keep that fresh layer on. Sometimes our dark spots are those layers of skin that should have been removed a long time ago. But you wanna do it at a steady pace, not too fast. You don't wanna damage the skin, cause a scar. So this is the perfect thing. And it also keeps your hands looking nice and youthful. You want your hands to match your face. So then you wash it off. Obviously, you don't want to leave it on because it'll keep exfoliating. Wash it off. So after I have done my normal morning skincare routine, I go ahead and will like style my baby hairs. Tip for any women who style baby hairs or have hair in front of their face. I know we want to make it last, but baby hairs and anything with any kind of product on your face is the one thing that you should not make last. Go ahead and wash those because you're gonna cause major pimples. Also, even when you wash your face later on, like there'll be a little bit of residue, or if you sweat or anything and through the night, it will come down and you'll end up getting pimples right along here or even by the eyebrow. Not cute. So once I'm done with my skincare routine, then I will go back and I'll style my baby hairs, and I'll actually go out in the day like this. All I really need is like a little bit of like some lip gloss, and I'm, maybe draw my eyebrows on a little bit just to define them. But besides that, I'm ready to go, and I'm feeling so confident in my skin. I honestly have fallen in love with not wearing makeup now, and Juice Beauty has been a part of that. So now that I have shown you my favorite stuff from this Juice Beauty Super Serum Mini Solutions Kit, like I said, take a look. Can you see good? It comes with 5 different serums, and y'all know I love a good serum. And on the side, it actually gives you some tips. So it has the Serum BFFs, and I'm just gonna kind of show you what some of those are. And it's just basically like what you can pair them with morning and night. So the first serum is the Glow and Brighten, and it starts with the Probiotic 20% Vitamin C Serum. You can use it morning and night, guys. As you guys already seen, I use it on my face right now. That's why I'm glowing so much. And you pair it with the Juice Beauty Green Apple Age Defying Serum. That's what you use at night. Next is the Microbiome for Glow, and you use, in the morning it says the 20% Vitamin C Serum, and then at night it says the Stem Cellular SuperGrape Youth Renewal Serum. Take a look, can y'all see it? Youth Renewal Serum. Next is the Youth Renew BFF, and that starts with the Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Serum in the morning. And then it goes to the Cellular SuperGrape Youth Renewal Serum at night. Use these two together. The last BFF that you have is the Anti-Wrinkle Anti-Rides Duo. And that starts with the Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Y'all already seen it. And then you pair it with the Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Y'all know I love a good retinol. I always make sure I'm using like a retinol overnight. I had to start off smaller with the retinol only because it made my skin a little more sensitive, and you gotta make sure that you're using sunscreen in the daytime, especially whenever you're using any kind of retinol. But I was able to build up my tolerance, and it has really helped overall fix the skin tone, make me look more youthful. My skin is soft. I'm not gonna touch it right now because I don't touch my face in the day. But yeah, it just really, my skin looks great. I'm so happy with it. I get compliments whenever I'm on set, getting my makeup done. The people compliment it. Like, I just feel so good. Last but not least, what I got from them is a Juice Beauty. It's the organic solution. So they have makeup that is extremely pigmented. And y'all know I love some good color. Bam, look at this. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna not put it on my lips because I'm actually gonna do a real TikTok. Make sure you guys are following me. That's Big Champ. And that's for both Instagram and TikTok. But look at this. And it feels so hydrating. It is so hydrating. It looks amazing. Some lip glosses, lip pigments, lipsticks will dry out my lips, not this one at all. So stay tuned. I guess I'll post it as a short on here. Maybe same day, I don't know. Maybe if you're lucky. Comment below if you want the short today on how I pair this with my favorite lip liner to create the perfect going out lip with a pop of color. So comment below if you guys like that. I will put the link so you guys can actually purchase this kit from the Juice Beauty website below if you guys want to. Comment any questions that you have about any of the different serums I showed you. Any questions just about Juice Beauty that you might have, or any other products from them that maybe you, my champions, have tried and you want me to try out, or you want to know about and you haven't tried yet and you'd like me to be the guinea pig. I really trust this brand so far. I mean, I've never actually had a problem with them. I've only had positive benefits. So if there's anything you guys want to try together and you want me to try, comment it below and I will be sure to try it. These Juice Beauty serums have the champ stamp of approval, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.